Ricky Carmichael, Amateur Supercross 2025 from here at Daytona International Speedway. Final race of the day here for me here on day one of heat races. And we have damn near a full gate of Open A lined up on the gate. We got all the heavy hitters that were in the 250 Futures class. We got Wheaton, Renfro, we got a Trimub, Mainquist, Powell, Bowser, let's go Bowser, Terry, Diesel, Thomas, Larson, Bass, Jets, Fed, Gordon, Jerry, Dyke, and Corey Carson. Sun's going down and the track is totaled, rough as can be. Who's gonna take the speed race? Thomas, he almost overshoots the berm. Where is Landon Gordon? Almost last. He is buried. Oh, now he's even more buried. They're buried in a rut over there. I told you guys the track was gnarly. Diesel Thomas trying to make it a perfect day here at the Speedway. Oh, here comes Betts. Doesn't want to let him do it. And now Bowser in the second spot. Mistake out of Betts. Evan Stice 4th. Wyatt Bass 5. Renfro, Powell, Jackson. About the 20 spot. Got a lot of work to do. Luckily it's the heat. Just trying to salvage the gate pick. Bowser starting to reel in Diesel Thomas ever so slightly here. Gets the move done in the back, into the lead. Can Diesel Thomas do anything to retaliate? Bowser's got the inside covered. Side by side, coming into the wall. Who's going to send this thing? Bowser airs it out, but will it pay off? Opposite sides of the split. Who comes out first? Bowser into the lead. Oh, I think we've lost Bowser. Bowser's down. Now Diesel Thomas re-inherits the lead. Bowser up in second though. Second time we've seen it today. Diesel Thomas. Nice little gap to play with, but I think he's got a lot of time left. Bowser's had the pace all day. And now Gavin Betts wants to follow him towards the front. Still a strong fourth from Evan Stice. Renfro in the top 5. Thor Powell, Russell with Jerry, Wyatt Bass, Hot Wheels, Jonathan Getz, and I think Corey Carson rounding out the top 10 for now. Here's Landon Gordon, he's going to have something to say about all that. Little kick from the Cornhusker. Bowser struggling to get through lappers. One more move to get into the top 10. Oh, we got a two-stroke. There's my guy right there. I think we've lost Bowser again. That would be in second. That would put Stipe in the third. Track is Gnarls Barkley here. Whoa, got great momentum for boys. Everywhere I look. Strong ride out of the 72. Gavin Betts ever. That's nice. Long trip here. He's making good use of it. Gordon's still on the move. I believe it's the 8th spot now. Up next for him is Jonathan Getz on the 22. Final time around for Diesel Thomas. The Diesel, not the gun. Diesel Thomas. There's a new Diesel in town. Got this win, 1-1 on the day, headed into the mains tomorrow. Very strong second from Gavin Betts. No mistake, right to the silver. And in the third spot. Thor Powell charging up to fourth. And then Retro, Bucherry, Gordon up to seventh, almost sixth. And then Jonathan Getz. Corey Carson, look at the results from Somewhere Official. Hope you guys enjoy.